Happy, right? Wrong. Have you ever heard of the dangers of stormwater runoff? Stormwater runoff is runoff from rainstorms that runs off the land and carries all the pollutants, like chemicals and bacteria, down storm drains and into a body of water. Thermal pollution has to do with runoff. Having thermal pollution means having the water temperature change. The most common cause of thermal pollution is when stormwater runoff is warmed from surfaces such as streets and parking lots. It can be dangerous when the water temperature changes, since there are living organisms in the water that need the water to stay the same temperature for them to stay alive. The average person should know that they could be the cause of thermal pollution, since they might be removing trees and vegetation or installing more impervious surfaces. What can the average person and city governments do to stop stormwater runoff? Well, they can plant more trees and vegetation so that the runoff can soak into the soil instead of running off onto streets directly into a body of water.
Created using Powtoon.